Well, it is a story that made headlines, of course, here locally and really internationally, and has been called one of the most notorious crimes of Lexington. It was a multi-million-dollar book heist that took place at Transylvania University. And today we're pleased to welcome Mike Markwell, executive producer of Mr. Pink, to tell us about how this story has been turned into a book and soon a movie. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, of course, this is something that we covered here in the news, and
certainly.
A lot of our viewers will be aware of, but it really is a story that's made for movies, right?
Oh, definitely. A lot of people in Lexington are already familiar with the heist itself, but the book, Mr. Pink, is not just about the heist. It's not a documentary. It's one man's story who has never come public with the story until the book, and he's Charles Allen, who is Mr. Pink, but it's a story about the circumstances and events that led him up to make the decision to participate in the heist. And there's a lot of juicy stuff in there.
And, I mean, when you hear more about the story and how this all took place and like you said, what led up to it, you think, I could see this as a Hollywood motion picture, and that's what you guys are doing.
Yeah, you know, the book just was hot off the presses in November. I read it, and I said, it's got to be a movie, and
a true story.
Bam, a movie deal was done in 3 months, and that's just unheard of. But when I presented it to the folks at Global Universal Pictures, they said, we got to do it. So we're doing it.
And where do things stand now with production?
We hope to start in October to shoot if everything goes right. We had a casting call in Louisville last week, which was just unreal. 7 hours straight. There was a traffic jam.
Wow.
I was expecting maybe 50, 60 people. Over 200 showed up. Recently, we've heard from Daniel Day-Lewis, Josh Duhamel, Tim McGraw, James Franco, but who we really want to hear from to attach himself to the film is one of Kentucky's best talents, and I'm talking about George Clooney. And it would be double good because his mother, Nina, is chairman of the Kentucky Film Commission, and we'd like to have this Kentucky connection with the film, at least as much as possible.
And in addition to that, you mentioned the casting call. You're trying to get some other folks involved.
Yeah, and I want everybody to know, if you want to be in this movie, it's a real simple process. You go to the website, you've got the part, and you can audition. Your 2-minute video, and it's a contest. We're going to pick 10 people. Our viewers are going to pick 10 people. We'll fly them out to Hollywood. They'll audition in front of the casting directors, and 2 people are going to get a juicy role. And there's going to be a lot of roles, for extras when we start shooting in Lexington, Louisville, and wherever else we need to shoot at.
Well, if you're interested in learning more, you see the website there, whoismrpink.com, to learn more about the book, the story, and the future movie. And also the website he mentioned for auditioning, you'vegotthepart.com as well. I was checking out some of the casting videos this morning. We certainly got some talent in our area, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Can't wait to see the movie.
Hey, thank you.
Thanks. We'll be right back with more news and weather.